Hello and welcome back. Let's have a look at EBS volume types. So as we discussed previously, if this is our basic computer or the base elements of a computer, then an EC2 instance represents the processor and the RAM, whereas EBS would represent the HDD or SSD. Now, in terms of EBS volume types, you guessed it, there are two main volume categories. These are SSD and HDD. At the time of recording of this video, the main types of SSD volumes are GP2 and GP3. GP2 is your general purpose, the one that we're predominantly using in this course, and GP3 is the new generation of it. These are mostly used for boot volumes, development and test environments, and other general purpose use cases. Now, there's another type of SSD volume, and that is, or another group of SSD volume types, that's IO1 and IO2. These are high input output performance volume types. There's a third one as well called IO2 Block Express. It has the highest input output performance, and these are used predominantly for input output intensive databases, whether SQL or NoSQL. In terms of hard disk drives, there is the SC1 or the cold HDD. This is used for data requiring few scans per day. And there is the ST1, which is throughput optimized. It can move in and out hundreds of megabytes of data per second. So it's very good for big data, data warehousing, and log processing. In terms of pricing, you are billed by the gigabyte month, for example, 10 cents per gigabyte month. Pricing can vary by region, and the charge is calculated per second. And note that for some volume types, there is also a throughput and an IOPS charge, but this is out of scope for the exam. Let's have a quick look at some of the associated pages. So here we've got the EBS volume types. And we've got GP2, GP3, IO1, and so on. And I recommend checking this page out because of this use cases, at least because of this use cases part. It's good to refresh your knowledge on when these different ones are used. And you've got the HDD based volumes, and here again you have the use cases. In terms of pricing, there's another page. By the way, both these pages will be included in the downloadable slides. And here you have, for example, you select your region, and for US East Ohio, you have the pricing. Here's GP2, 10 cents per gigabyte month of storage provisioned. So there we go. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I look forward to seeing you next time. And until then, enjoy the cloud.